Hey y'all, my name is Courtney and I'm the voice behind House on Longwood Lane. Oh my gosh. So, I was asked to be a part of Home Depot's Holiday Style Challenge. Like, what? Like, seriously. They chose so many awesome, talented DIY bloggers and I'm so excited to be a part of this. So I'm going to show y'all how I decorated our front porch for Christmas with these DIY Christmas tree planter boxes that I made at Home Depot. Alright, took the old storm door out and we're going to be putting in this beautiful one right here from Andersen Windows. And we have, oh you can't even see it, it's so dark, our freshly painted front door, a new touchscreen lock, and an MVP. Part of this Home Depot Holiday Style Challenge has been so awesome. I had so much fun styling our front porch, and making these DIY Christmas tree planter boxes was super fun. And y'all can catch that DIY tutorial on Home Depot's channel. For a list of all the tools and supplies that we used for this project, it'll be below. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already yet, click below to subscribe so you don't miss out on DIY and design tips and tricks.